Are you listening?
This is Hey YouTube, this is Charlie, and today guys we have a super duper product, and this is from Smartomi Optimus wireless speaker. This is the Smartomi wireless Optimus speaker, and you can see the package on this is really nice. Now I've already played around with it, I've already taken it out, I've already tried it, I just kind of re-unboxing it to make sure to show you guys how it comes. The features on this, has an eye-free control, so a remote control basically. You can control Siri and Google Now with one touch on this. You get 30 hours of continuous playtime, which is super duper, and you have 360 degrees powerful surround sound on this with 8 watts drivers with subwoofers, and this will connect to your phone or your tablet from about 100 foot. And again, this has a built-in 6000 mAh external battery on there, which is also a charger, so you can charge your device, whichever device you're using to play it with. You can charge it with it. So let's go ahead and open this bad baby up. So you can see, really nice packaging. Let's take this out right here. Here we go. Whoa, really nice packaging. I have to tell you, I've opened a lot of Bluetooth speakers, and this is nice. We're gonna take this out. You can see it's already on, so I just kind of put it back in there for cosmetic looks. But this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and see all the stuff that comes with it. The stuff that comes in the box. You have some ties. You have 8 pieces of ties. So that's what you can use to tie it on your bicycle, because this is a bicycle mount right here, so you can use that to tie that on your bicycle. So this is good. This is really good for if you own a bicycle and you're riding, you want to listen to your music. This is your rubber that goes underneath the mount. Open this up. You have an Allen wrench on there. You have a hook. You have an aux cable right here. You have USB, and you can use this in 2 ways. You can use this to charge the device, and also you can use this to charge. You can use this to charge your phone or your tablet from this device, because this is also a charger with your 6000 mAh of power that this has. The more zip ties on there. So let's check this out. On this, you have a number of ports. You have 2 different ports on its side. So we're gonna check out this one here. So this one here, a mini memory card can go in there, so you can put music. It will take up to a 32 gigs memory card on there, and you can also plug in your remote, and which I didn't show you guys. Where's the remote? So it also comes with a remote, and that remote goes on the bike, and you can see there's a little bell there, which is really cool. So this right here, you can plug right in here, and this is gonna hooked up on your handlebar, and this becomes your bell for your bike. You can also control your music. You can change your music on there. And you can see it also has a mic right here, so you can call up Siri or Google Now right from this to your phone once your phone is connected. Remember, you have a 6000 milliamp battery built in here, which can also give you power to charge your device. So you can take your device and just plug in here. So after you plug your device right here, you have a button, a charging button right here. You just press and hold for a few seconds.
Power bank is ready.
And the power bank will start up, and you can see your device will be charging, which is really cool. Or take this out right here, and you can plug this in right in your mini USB, and plug this in, and you can start charging your device, and you will see a red light right here will come on, which indicating that the device is being charged. Guys, this is on sale on Amazon right now for $79.99. I believe all the information you need down below. Just click and buy. This is a really, really good buy compared to all the other expensive devices like the Amazon Echo or the Google Home. This will connect directly to your phone, so you really have built-in Google Home, or if you have an iPhone device, then you can control Siri for it. So this is really, really cool.
Are you listening? Damn. Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Damn.